everybody, it's Kareem. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with an update on our home redecorating project. Now, earlier this year, I did a video about the fact that my husband and I basically renovated our home, and now we're redecorating, redesigning it. So today I'm going to bring you a shopping trip that I went on at my new favorite home decor store. So the store is called At Home, and it bills itself as a home decor superstore. If you have one in your area, you know how big this store is. At least the one in my area is about like 3 stores in one. There's so much to look at, and what you're seeing is just a fraction of the wonderful things they have to offer. It's a store I've been to no less than 10 times, and it just opened. This is truly going to be my go-to store for home decor. So I've gone back and forth to At Home so many times now. I feel like I already know the employees, and like I said, the store just opened up. So we bought these reeds behind here, and I'll make sure I get a close-up of the shop. But essentially, because the wall is so bare, I needed something to fill the background. I do intend to change it when the mood strikes me, but I like how the reeds look for now. This is one of the 5 reeds that I got. It's on the bottom. It's got a little stand where it can just basically stand up like this, and it has little pearls on it. And I got 2 in this color, and then 2 green ones, and then there was one that had the green and this color mixed together. So those are what I have behind me, and I really love them because, again, they just stand on their own. They provide the perfect backdrop for, you know, my little, like I said, this little zen area, this little decompress, and definitely where I record my videos. So another thing I bought with this was this pillow. On my couch, on this little love seat that I'm sitting on, it's all chocolate, and I was looking for colors basically to pull out, or patterns, and when I saw this pillow, I said this is actually a great pillow, and it had a really great pattern. It's light enough for spring, but still has that dark color running through it, so I got 2 of these. They were $10 each, so $9.99. The things at Home are so affordable that you can definitely go and change it up when the mood strikes you. So this is another pillow that I got. This is kind of like a olive color, a hunter green color, and you see it has again some pattern. It really kind of stands out very nice to the couch. It blends in and it almost looks brown, but I know it's not. And when you see it like up close and in person, you know it's not brown. But anyway, I like this. This is actually more of a fall kind of pillow, whatever. But honestly, people have color out any time of the year. You know, people have black and white rooms that never change. So color is truly not necessarily seasonal. There are only some of us who like to change color with the seasons, right? So this is another cute pillow that I bought. I can't remember how much this pillow was, but I think it was like $12, or it wasn't much more than the other pillow that I showed you. So another thing that I got was some decor for the windows. The windows are not the most picturesque, but if you put a little artificial plants in the window, it makes it look like you have a little home garden, and I love it. I wasn't always a big fan of faux plants, but I'm into them now, and I really like them. This has got like a little potted look, and this was only $12.99, so I actually got 4 of them, and so I put 2 each in the 2 windows that show here in the studio. I recommend getting some faux plants for any place that you need to spruce up, and if you don't have a green thumb like me, because I do not, plants die in my house. Faux plants, though, live on forever, so you don't have to worry about it. So that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe because we got some more great videos coming up, some more home decorating, of course, all the other things that's coming up on my channel. So make sure you subscribe to get everything hot off the press and in your inbox. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.